Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share with you my secret to making the fudgiest brownies you've ever tasted. Trust me, these are a chocolate lover's dream come true. First things first, you'll need some basic ingredients. Sugar, flour, eggs, butter, and of course lots and lots of chocolate. I mean, can you ever have too much chocolate? I don't think so. Now let's get down to business. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 175 degrees Celsius for my friends using the metric system. Next, grab a saucepan and melt the butter over a low heat. Once it's melted, turn off the heat and add in your chocolate. I prefer using dark chocolate for that rich, intense flavor, but you can go with whatever makes your taste buds dance. Stir it until it's all smooth and glossy. While that's cooling a bit, whisk together the eggs and sugar in a large bowl until they're light and fluffy. This step is key, folks. It's what gives the brownies that amazing melt-in-your-mouth texture. Now pour the melted chocolate and butter mixture into the egg mix. Make sure to do it slowly and whisk continuously. You don't want scrambled eggs in your brownies, right? Laughs. Then sift in the flour and fold everything together gently. You want to keep as much air in the mixture as possible. Pour the batter into a lined baking tray. And here's my secret weapon. Add a handful of chocolate chunks on top. This will give you little pockets of gooey chocolate as they bake. Trust me, it's a game changer. Bake in the preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. You might be tempted to bake them a bit longer, but remember, we're aiming for fudgy, not cakey. Once done, let them cool in the tray for a bit before slicing. I know, waiting is the hardest part, but it's worth it. And there you have it, folks. Serve these warm with a scoop of ice cream, or simply dust them with some icing sugar. Either way, you're in for a treat. Thanks for tuning in, and happy baking.